Sample 7B analysis complete. Silicon purity is at 99.999.
Confirmed. We are within tolerance for the batch.
The silicate levels are consistent with the last shipment.
Humidity is holding steady at 40%.
The thickness uniformity is within tolerance. Send it to the next stage.
Temperature stabilizing now. Adjusting the flow rate as requested. Attention all personnel. Sector 4B required immediate clearing. Ensure all quartz pallets are secured before shift end. The thickness uniformity is excellent on this batch.
Agreed. The new coolant mixture is working perfectly.
The lamination looks good, but check the frame alignment on the south edge.
Roger. Adjusting tolerance now.
Securing the bypass diodes now. We need a clean connection for the long-term reliability test.
Precision is key as the silicon nitride is applied, preparing the cells for the high-temperature furnace.
This is the Czochralski process, where a seed crystal is slowly rotated and pulled from the melt to form a perfect cylindrical ingot.
These look good. No microfractures detected.
All right, log them for transfer to the polishing station.
Check the thermal profile on Zone 3.
Reading stable at 900 degrees Celsius. We are clear.
Layer uniformity stable. Increasing plasma power slightly to optimize deposition rate.
The temperature gradient is stabilizing at 1410 Kelvin.
Adjust the pull rate slightly to optimize the lattice structure.
Look at the sensor readings here. The cut is perfectly aligned. Good. We can increase the speed slightly then.
The nitride deposition rate is stable. Good, let's keep an eye on the uniformity as it exits. Make sure the alignment is perfect on the next sheet.
Roger that. The robots are calibrated for the new batch.
The new robotic arms are much faster.
Yes, and the precision is incredible.
This batch looks good. Very few anomalies detected.
Agreed. Moving to the next pallet.
Here in the clean room, every panel undergoes meticulous inspection. Precision is key to achieving the highest quality standards.
Soldering complete on this section.
Moving to inspection. The bond looks secure.
The robotic arm ensures consistent wire stripping before soldering. This precise alignment is crucial for optimal performance.
We connect the leads to the terminals and set the testing parameters on the interface. As the lights activate, we measure the precise output. Check the microfractures on panel 16.
They are negligible.
The efficiency rating is stable.
Check the output stability here.
Looks consistent with the last batch. The caliper reading is perfect.
No microfractures detected on the laminate.
The silver lines are consistent. We can approve this batch.
It is her. The anti-reflective coating ensures maximum light absorption. As you can see, the silver conductive lines are...
These silver lines are precision engineered for optimal conductivity across the entire surface, ensuring maximum output.